A little Lori White. Well, I should have been home hours ago. I always lose track of the time. I'll just hold up this wall while I try to recall the thought from the back of my mind. Oh yeah, I remember it began with a ring when you called me looking at you. So don't ask me, boy, you're a good-looking thing. This must be the best proposition that I've had all day. But there's no need for subtleties, darling, just keep things behind me, and I'll show you the way. Oh, you can't die. Temptation, already go the road to love. You can die. Yeah.